So there are some new developments in the federal investigation into Hillary Clinton's emails. Intelligence sources telling Fox News that the FBI is now expanding that investigation to include possible violations of the U.S. criminal code. So what does all this mean for Hillary Clinton? Chief Intelligence Correspondent Catherine Herridge live in Washington for us this morning. So Catherine, what are you learning about this today?
Martha, intelligence sources tell Fox News the FBI has expanded its probe of Hillary Clinton's emails, with agents exploring whether multiple statements violate a federal false statement statute, the same statute that got Martha Stewart into trouble when she lied to the FBI. 18 U.S. Code Section 1001 pertains to materially false statements given either in writing, orally, or through a third party. Violations also include pressuring a third party to conspire in a cover-up. It is not required that the statements are given under oath. In this case, legal experts as well as a former FBI agent said Section 1001 could apply if Clinton, her aides, or attorney were not forthcoming with FBI agents about her emails, classification, and whether only non-government records were destroyed. Members of the Benghazi Select Committee continue to emphasize the use of a private server for government business remains a very serious issue.
It is now readily apparent that there was high-level classified information that was contained on a server that didn't have the normal protections to have this secured behind the government security systems, and Secretary Clinton's server did not meet that standard.
The FBI is not commenting on the progress of the investigation beyond what Director Comey has said, that the Bureau is independent and not influenced by politics. Martha.
So what are we learning about the independent review here of Clinton's emails?
Well, 2 U.S. government officials said the FBI is doing its own independent classification review of the Clinton emails, effectively cutting out what has become a grinding process at the State Department. Under Secretary for Management Patrick Kennedy has argued to both Director of National Intelligence James Clapper and Congress that the top-secret emails on Clinton's server could have been pulled from unclassified sources, including news reports. A U.S. government official who was not authorized to speak on the record said the FBI is identifying suspect emails and then going directly to the agencies who originated them and therefore own the intelligence, and who, under the regulations, have final say on the classification. A former FBI agent with 2 decades of experience said the Bureau always goes to the source because investigative protocol demands it. Martha.
Very interesting. Catherine, thanks.